Hello, my name is Nikki and I'm with dynamic-crm.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the product overview for our product called the Script Author. The Script Author is compatible with Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 version, and basically what this product does is it customizes forms in CRM by generating code, and it applies it to your CRM just kind of behind the scenes. So in other words, you can write multiple scripts in this JavaScript tool without having to write code or search for code snippets, and you can apply those scripts to your CRM. We have 3 different versions of the Script Author available for download. We have the online version, the on-premise version, and the developer version. The online and on-premise versions allow the user to connect to any organization within a single installation of CRM. And the developer version allows the software to connect to multiple installations of CRM, both online and on-premise, and it's geared towards companies or individuals that plan to perform customizations on several installations. Please note that you may download the Script Author for free and write as many scripts as you would like, make as many customizations, generate that code, but in order to apply those customizations to your CRM, you must purchase our software licenses. So let me go ahead and just show you some of the functionality included in the product. You can go to, I'm actually logged in to the developer version, but I want to show you what that looks like. So you can go to File, you can exit, or you can log out, and what that will do is it will take you back to the login screen. And that's just helpful for a quick way to log in and out of your several installations that you may have if you're using the developer version. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the online version and put my password in, and I'm going to log in. And we're back to our screen. So we're logged in, and if you go up here to view, you can actually view your license, the area where you would input your license key once you purchase them so that you can apply your customizations, and I'll show you that later. You can go to Tools, Options, and you can uncheck Auto Publish. The Script Author is automatically set up so that it automatically publishes your scripts to CRM. However, you can uncheck this Auto Publish if you wish to view your scripts before you want to actually publish them to your CRM. If you go to Help and you click on Search, it will take you to the tutorial section of our site that has a lot of different videos that can just give you some help, some examples of how to use the product. And of course, here's Buy Now. This takes you to our store so that once you've downloaded the free version, the free trial, and you love it, as we know you will, you can quickly go to our store and buy those licenses. You'll just want to be sure that you buy the correct license type. So if you downloaded the Script Author for online, you just want to make sure that you purchase Script Author online license keys. And same as for on-premise and developer. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to just walk you through actually writing a script. So you'll select a form to apply the script to, and all of your forms that are in your CRM will come up in this drop-down list. So I'm going to select the opportunity form, and right now it's loading that form. Now you want to enter a name to identify the script. So when you enter a name, you want to be sure that it clearly identifies the type of script that you're going to be writing so that when you go into CRM where it's stored, you can quickly identify it. Then it asks you, when do you want the script to be performed? You can select when the form loads, when the form is saved, or you can select when the field's value changes, and you would select that field that you're referring to. So I'm going to select the probability field. Now what you'll want to do is add an action, and I'm actually going to move this up so that you can see all of the actions that are available. You'll add an action, and first you'll have to check a condition. Now as you can see, first check condition is the only one available because you have to start somewhere. So you would select check condition, and what you'll do is start filling out the information. So what I'm going to say is, in the option is if a field on this form or if the user's role. I'm going to select a field on this form. With the name, I'm going to select probability, and I'm going to say it's greater than or equal to, and you can pick from any of these options. I'm going to say if it's greater than or equal to, and I'm going to put in 75. Additionally, you can select another and or statement to add in the event you need to add some additional information. However, I'm not going to do that. So we'll hit continue. And as you can see, if the probability is greater than or equal to 75, then now we want to add another action. And as you can see, the conditions are listed up here. And now, since we've done our check condition, we can go ahead and add conditional branch and default action conditions going forward. What we want to do now, though, is we're actually going to add an action. So you can see that you have all of these available that we're going to add as part of our then statement. And I'll give you a moment to just look over these. I'm going to select set a field value. And I'm going to say set the field named rating to hot. And I'm going to hit continue. So what I have here is a script that says if the probability is greater than or equal to 75, then set the ratings field value to hot. It's important to note that when you want to add an additional condition, you need to be on an if statement. And see, these are no longer grayed out. When you were on the then statement, the conditional branch and default action, it wouldn't allow you to do that. It would allow you to do check condition, however. I'm going to add another action. And I'm going to say, I'm going to add a default action. And I'm going to say if the probability is greater than or equal to 75, then set the ratings field value to hot. Otherwise, now I'm going to add another action. And I'm going to select set a field value again. Otherwise, set the field named rating to cold. And I'm going to keep it at cold and hit continue. So this is my entire statement. My default will be set the ratings field value to cold. What you would do then, I'm going to bring this back down, is hit continue. Now, as you can see, that pop-up box is basically telling me I need to add my license keys, and that was the functionality that I was talking about earlier. When you go to view and license key, this is where you would actually enter in your license email and your license keys so that you can publish your customizations. Okay, so as you can see, the screen looks a little different. I logged out, logged back in, and ran the script because I would like to show you one more functionality of the tool. You can, now that we have this script here, you can go to Tools and Remove. And basically, as you can see, this is highlighted down here. If you hit Remove, it just removes the last, basically the last action that you performed. And there you have it. Additionally, you can also hit cancel, and that will also get you back to a clean form to start over with. So thank you so much for your time in watching this video today. We hope that you will download your free trial of the Script Author so that you can see all of the actions and conditions and scripts that you can run. There's just so much that you can do. And we hope that you will take it for a spin. Thank you so much.